Hey America, Mark Kelson here today, Guaranty RV, Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this 2018 Ventana LE 3412. This is a great way to go out and make memories with your family, and we'd love to have you take a look at this coach. So let's go in and see what it has to offer. 34-foot diesel, rear engine diesel with a 340 Cummins. But look at the style in here, the beauty of it. This is a great floor plan. You got the dinette over here. You have the TV behind it that comes up so that when you're sitting over here in either the couch or the chair, it's straight on so that you're not hurting your back or your neck looking at it. This coach also features a nice vinyl flooring here, easily cleaned up. And then the Corian countertop, which matches the color in here. Extremely good looking coach. You do have a lot of cabinetry in this coach. Mitered corners in this, very well built. You have the convection microwave whirlpool right here. And then under the Corian countertop, we have the 3-burner stovetop with a bank of drawers underneath. 4-door refrigerator right here, Norcold. Over here to the other side, the lavatory. Nice shower, little window, fantastic vent up above for ventilation. Coming to the back, features a true queen bed with the windows on the side for ventilation so that you can see out of. Nice big wardrobe area in the back. You do have the closet back here that also has the plumbing for the washer dryer if you so desire. Over here you have a 32-inch TV, a lot of storage underneath and up on top, and the emergency exit window right here. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. So coming up into the cockpit, this is on the Freightliner custom chassis. Very functional up here. You have everything from the automatic visors up front to your automatic mirror right there. You do have the Allison transmission, the levelers over here, all at the touch of a button, tilt steering wheel, everything that you would want in a coach. This is a great little coach. Let's go outside and see what this baby has to offer. The extremely stylish look on this vehicle has full body paint. You have the frameless windows on this coach. The big Michelin tires here. One of the things I like about this, having a bad back, is I can reach under here and open these doors. They open to the side for great storage. Newmar quality. You can slam those doors, nothing happens. They just close. That's a pass-through all the way through to the other side. And right here we have a little pegboard so that you can put your tools there, or you could actually you could put a TV in there if you wanted to. Coming to the back, you have your chassis batteries and your disconnect for the chassis back here. Again, this is on a 340 Cummins Freightliner chassis. Beautiful coach. Look at the colors on that thing. You'd be going in style with this. This does feature a little area back here. You have a plug-in. And then 50 amp service right there. There's your DEF right there, place to put your hoses, and your water bay. Outdoor shower, filter, everything you need right there. Coming on up to the front, your side cameras, your generators up front, Just a beautiful coach. Folks, if this coach is of interest to you, or any of them we have on the campus, feel free to call me. My name is Mark Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.